Gotta feel. So what it do?
Heaven and hell decide, but they both are satisfied.
Come on.
Illuminate the nose on their vacancy signs.
Come on.
Heaven and hell decide,
Van Dam
they both
B.O.
are satisfied.
There are.
Illuminate the nose on their vacancy signs.
Nah. What if heaven was hell? What if we lived in a world without crack or jail? What if nobody ever had to get whacked to tell? And it wasn't all blacks that packed the jails. What if everybody grew up with both parents? Granddad, grandma, that's 4 parents. What if we never skipped class and finished school? Instead of doing bad business, go to business school. Cause if you started, you might as well finish, fool. More relaxed than doing laps in a swimming pool. If everybody got treated like the Pope, what if immigrants and convicts had the right to vote? They made weed legal, so we had the right to smoke. Ain't this a free country, so I got the right to joke? But it ain't even funny. The root to all evil, what if it ain't even money? Come on.
Heaven and hell decide, but they both are satisfied.
Come on.
Illuminate the nose on their vacancy signs.
Come on.
Heaven and hell decide, but they both are satisfied.
You gotta feel.
Illuminate the nose
They gotta
on
feel.
their vacancy signs.
If we all had women like ISIS, get rid of the wars and high gas prices. No more bank robberies, no cash heists. If Leos and Geminis get along with Pisces. What if a smile was a frown, so you smile when you're upset cause what's up is really down? What if we ain't grow up in a small town where everybody know your business and act like they all down? If we made it to the top and never fall down. If Pun, Pop, Biggie and Jay was all around, just imagine that. If everybody that we lost, we can have them back. If we ain't have to do dirt, if we ain't have to jack. What if everybody get to ride Benz? Then again, what if Jesus never died for our sins? Keep it real with our fam, never lie to our friends, and they never lied to us, cause we ride to the end.
Heaven and hell decide, but they both are satisfied.
Come on.
Illuminate the nose on their vacancy signs.
Come on.
Heaven and hell decide, but they both are satisfied.
Shit, I
Illuminate the nose on their vacancy signs.
What if the Bible was a message to the black race? We are divine in this time, so it's past hate. Classmates falling victim to the drugs, and I'm falling for the streets cause they seem to show me love. What if my plug had just fronted on my face and I ain't have to pay him back cause he know my situation? What if the law was a system, not a business? With TV at the crib, let me chill cause I'm bitten. What if Obama wasn't for us? What if they just using the skin to pretend to get to know us? What if the hood had $1 billion and it wasn't no poverty? I probably could've won an Oscar. And what if heaven was on earth and we ain't have to go to war cause the world is our turf? I wish James D and James B could be here. Heaven or hell, we prefer to still see clear.
Heaven and hell decide, but they both are satisfied. Illuminate the nose
what it
on their vacancy signs. If heaven
I can see
and
that
hell
shit the other way, my
decide,
nigga.
they both are satisfied.
What if heaven was hell?
Illuminate the nose on
we
their
still fulfill?
vacancy signs.
You know how that goes. To all my fallen soldiers, got you.